एंड लेट मी शो यू व्हाट ऑल आई गॉट. स्वेटर उतार दिया तो थोड़ी गर्मी लगती है, रूम में तो सही एकदम टेम्परेचर मेंटेन होता है तो कितना अच्छा लगता है. नाउ इफ सो आई गॉट अ जैम, बॉटल ऑफ जैम. लाइक दिस इज सो टेस्टी, आई ट्राइड इट एंड इतना सेवरी सा है, इतना यमी सा है. देन आई गॉट सम दाल. देन अपनी सारी फाइल्स अपने आईपैड में ट्रांसफ़र कर रही थी क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी सारे व्लॉग्स बनाए हैं एंड लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ व्लॉग्स आर कमिंग. आई कीप व्लॉगिंग, मुझे व्लॉग करने में बड़े मज़े आते हैं यार, लाइक शोइंग माई लाइफ स्टाइल एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड येस, अ लॉट ऑफ व्लॉग्स आर अप. आई गेस अभी तक मैं जब से आई हूँ 3 मैंने व्लॉग्स डाल दिए हैं, तो लाइक मेक श्योर यू आर वॉचिंग देम एंड नॉट मिसिंग आउट ऑन एनी, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग पर्सनली मुझे तो ये लगता है कि इंटरेस्टिंग है. ठीक है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन बट आई पर्सनली फील दे आर वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So you should watch. I will like pop everything like 1, 2, 3. These are the like 3 vlogs that I've put up. और भी होंगे तो मैं वो भी ऐड कर दूंगी. तो मैं सारी फाइल्स अपनी अपने आईपैड में ट्रांसफर कर रही थी एंड लाइक आई नीड टू एडिट ऑल ऑफ देम, लाइक जस्ट लाइक look at the amount of content I have right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, yeah, so the plan for tomorrow is that we are going to the plan for tomorrow is we are going to central London. I will get my belongings hopefully tomorrow, but if not we will just enjoy our day in London. And I really wanted to explore London. Like पिछली बार मैं जब central गई थी, I loved it so much, but it was like Diwali fest and we went there, so we could not explore the touristy places and I could not get like great pictures. And I live for pictures. I am a girl, but also like personally I love taking pictures and like I love making memories with the picture. Like I want that. So yeah, we are gonna do that. So that's why I was like thinking like I should do a little prep because I'm feeling like really tired, and since like I have this day off, I should just make the most out of it. So I was planning to do a face shaving. So I have seen a lot of girls like questioning you use a face razor or something like that, because like I've shared a lot of hauls where I've like ordered face razors and like a lot of tools, like face shaving tools. So I'm gonna share that. I'm gonna share the routine here. I don't see, because I've been shaving my face for more than a year now and I haven't seen any weird you know, things or something that backlashed at me. So no, it has not actually. And my routine is pretty simple, so I'm gonna take you through it. By the way, I'm gonna just quickly go and wash my face first and then see you guys. Okay, so I've already washed my face using this Dot & Key Seeker Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash. Like I keep isolating between my face washes every then and now. I've been using like Dot & Keys along with Dermaco's face wash, but like I keep isolating between these depending upon my mood. It's nothing as such, but yeah, these are the two I am religiously using in my routine. And for before shaving, I'm gonna use aloe vera gel. I love using aloe vera gel as base because up bare skin pe karte ho to it may have the chances to injure you, to have like scratches or some cuts maybe. So like to avoid that, I love using aloe vera gel, and by the way, this is from a brand name Kapiva. I will link each and every product in the description box below, so that you guys can check it out. And like you get this like a big jar. पता नहीं मैंने कितने का लिया था from Nykaa, and like it has been like really good. I love using it before and after my shaving routine. And also always tie your hair like before shaving, because in order to avoid like cutting your own hair, because मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था. So like from then I make sure that I'm always tying my hair. So now I'm gonna use this razor. By the way, I got this locally from UK itself. Like मैंने Amazon से order किया था. इंडिया में I used to use a brand named Sarona, but मैं अपना razor pack लाना भूल गई थी यहाँ पे. So I ordered it online, and this brand's name is, I don't know क्या है. This says eyebrow razor. Like this is the packaging. So it's locally available in the UK, but if you are from India, just try Sarona. They have like amazing range of face razors, and this one is like very much beginner friendly. And the Sarona one that I'm suggesting, I will put that in the description box. That is also very much amazing. It's very beginner friendly, and it's like it has this really cute pink color ki packaging, which I even love. And like start shaving at a 45-degree angle, not like this. Like listen to me carefully, not like this, but like this. Like keep it at a standing but a little bit tilted position, and use a mirror. Keep it very handy, and instead of like doing up and down movement altogether, just push it down and just that. And make sure you are not adding extra pressure, because the blade is enough to like remove the hair, but if you are putting extra pressure, you will like see some maybe a harshness on your face. You might feel that later, so do not do that. Just be very gentle, and the razor will do its work on its own. And like, can you see like a little bit of peach fuzz? I know it's very ugly to see that, but yeah, that this is how I do it, very gently and very like nicely. And make sure you're also like pulling your skin like this and then dragging it down very smoothly, very nicely, and not overdoing it at one particular place. Again, that can give you rashes or something like that. So yeah, just be very gentle, and yeah, it's just pretty easy to do that. I'm also recording this on my Instagram. I mean, managing two social medias, it's not easy, but I love this. And it's like, this is like so satisfying. Trust me, I'm not kidding. Like, you can feel your skin, how baby soft it becomes. Like, literally, just do a comparison between this side and that side, and you will see the difference. ये lighting आज मुझे बहुत परेशान कर रही है. Can you like see? ये अपने आप बंद हो रही है for some reason. I don't know why. See, look at the difference. I don't know why it's doing that to me, but yeah. And if you have acne, just leave that area. Do not run the razor over that area. थोड़ा वो spread हो सकता है. So you should avoid that, and make sure you're very careful around your eyes, because it's a very delicate area. You are so dead. Because it's a very delicate area. Be as careful as possible. Now just watch me in time lapse. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Look at the difference. Like, look how defined this one looks, and look how ugly undone this one looks. I'm gonna just do this one as well. Okay, so half of my face is done, and like, it looks super seamless, very smooth, very nice. It has like turned literally very much baby soft. Like, it's like, oh my god, I'm loving. Like, you can literally feel the difference. Like, if you touch this side and if you touch this side, it's like way lot smoother. I have cleaned my skin. Oh my god, like, look at it. It looks very fresh, clean and nice. And the best part about face shaving is सारा peach fuzz निकाल देता है. And if you have like a layer of dirt on your face, even after like washing and exfoliating, it even removes that, removes your dead cells as well. And कई बार हमारी स्किन पे like after an acne एक layer बन जाती है वहाँ उस एरिया में. So it also removes that as well. So I love face shaving. It is an exfoliating process in itself. So उसके बाद में I've just like washed my face with cold water, and I prefer washing my face with cold water no matter what, because it kind of like, it does something to the face. I don't know, but it is something that I've been doing from like ever since. For some reason I don't really know, but yeah, it does something to your face. Never wash your face with, even I don't even recommend lukewarm water, because again, I feel somewhere it damages your skin, makes it even more drying. So yeah, just try opting cold water in your routine if you are facing a lot of oily skin or like acne on your face. It literally helps, trust me. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of aloe vera gel just to make sure कि कोई redness वगैरह ना आए मेरे face पे, and it moisturizes my skin as well. And like, my skin feels so fresh. Even I feel super clean and like a new me, because literally sometimes skincare is so required just to feel like a little different from your old self, and like a bit of rejuvenating. And yeah, that's it. I sometimes like slap my face in the routine. I don't know, I've seen it somewhere on, most probably on some YouTube, I guess someone's Vogue video somewhere then, and like, she literally slaps her face. So I'm gonna do that and apply a little bit of Vaseline, and that's it. That's literally what I do. And I am all set to head to my bed. Also thoda bahut, like when I'm like left with like a little bit, what I do is मैं इसको rub करके अपनी lashes पे लगा लेती हूँ, and just, you know, give it a little massage. इतना सारे time phone, laptop, iPad ये सब use करके ना आंखें इतनी tired हो जाती हैं, and that's my literal night routine. And that's all I do. And just look at my skin, it's looking gorgeous right now. It's like literally shining from within. So yeah, that's my routine. That's how I shape my face. So now it's easy for you guys to like implement this routine in your lifestyle if you wish to. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go out for a walk right now. There's like they've added a lot of lightings, and I am literally dying to see it lit because I've seen them hanging on like the roof area, but I've not seen them lit literally. So let's see, let's find out if we are lucky today or not. But look at this. Look at the decor. Ah, so cute. Fake snow dust. Guys, so cute. ऐसे बहुत सारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स लगे हुए हैं. क्या बोल रहे हैं? ये एक गैंडा दूसरे गैंडे के पास जाता हुआ. आज तो बादशाह सा लग रहा है. हेलो.
ये चिलगोजा चलते हुए मेरे को बोल रही थी, अब खुद यहाँ बैठ गई है.
केक खा लो फ्रेंड्स. दिख भी रहा है
इसके पिज़्ज़ा जितना इसका मुंह है.
फ्लैश ऑन गया. क्या फ्लैश ऑन?
हाँ, फ्लैश ऑन हो गया. फ्लैश.
इसका पिज्जा खाई थी गाइस.
अबे वाटरमेलन है वो पिज़्ज़ा.
हाँ, वाटरमेलन.
पता है नहीं, इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने चले हैं.
पता है नहीं.
इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने चले हैं.
गाइस मैं जस्ट अभी स्किन केयर.
बंद कर दिया मैंने.
लुक एट द वो अभी इंस्टॉल किया है लोगों ने, और ये उस पर डेकोर लगा रहे हैं उसका. इतना ज़्यादा प्रिटी लग रहा है यार. लुक एट दिस. आई थिंक दे आर इंस्टॉलिंग. पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. अच्छा उठा के उसके ऊपर रख रहे हैं यार. द ट्री इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. चोरी कर ले गाइस. हम क्या मतलब, ये लड़का सोच रहा है हम चोरी कर लें. ये सोने का सिक्का चुराना. क्या सही शॉप है यार ये. Guys adoring a gorilla. Okay. Things are up. Look how pretty they are looking. कितना प्यारा लग रहा है ये स्ट्रीट. स्पाइडरमैन तुमने चुराया मेरे दिल का a little change in plan because one of my friends, she cancelled. So I mean we were supposed to go together, but she fell sick. So I'm going by myself now. It will take me like quite an hour or so to reach, but I'm still very excited. And also I'm feeling very tired. Yeah, like no doubt. So yeah, I'm really excited now. Let's enjoy the journey together. Looking. God, it's sunny in London, which is like a blessing, literally. I'm so happy. The weather is really nice. I'm enjoying it actually. It's a bit windy, I won't lie. Oh, there are a lot of stalls over there. Okay, we might go inside, but let's just go collect everything. And no matter even if I believe that if you're alone in London, you will still have fun. Oh, let me show you. There's a fountain as well. Look at that. Look how pretty it's looking. Oh my god. Can you see there are like a lot of stalls like there? Oh, so cute. There are like a lot of stalls right here. I might see something. If we find something, we can like buy. Little treat ourselves. Like there is a lot of things. Like a lot even like to eat and to explore. But I'm literally just having the best time because the sun is out today. It's really pretty. This part, I got my stuff. Yeah, I got my masalas and my everything. I will cook good food now. Look at this pretty store. They have like so beautiful rings and everything. A lot of things to do. Getting myself this one. This is something like Bueno. I don't know what it is, but I really want to try that. Myself a little bun. I'm really excited to give this a try. Let's just find somewhere to sit and then we'll enjoy it. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Oh my god. The sugar dust. It's so good. It's so good. They bake this stuff is like so good. You know it already. I'm planning to go to the National Gallery. So like it's right behind me. Can you see like this? This is the gallery, but there's a long queue. But I really want to visit it because it seemed really pretty. So I'm gonna go. Also, I was looking for some spot where I can like take my pictures. But for that, I need to just go there quickly because every Sun Bharat I was like, let's find a point where I can just click my own pictures because I don't have any help. But yeah, let's just go to the museum. There's like a long queue. Look at this beautiful gallery. Let's go inside. My god, the paintings are like amazing, like really beautiful. Just look at this. Look at this one. Like the attention to detail. Like, just look at this. It's so peaceful, very beautiful, very aesthetic, very... It feels like I'm living in a mansion. Look at this. A little fit check for you guys. I am looking really pretty today. Oh my god, look at that. I mean, look at her eyes. I am like loving myself today. I'm looking extremely gorgeous. Just pretty, yeah. I'm just having so much fun. I just came into the washroom and I'm gonna just relax myself now and then we'll head out. I'm done with the museum. It was a crazy experience. Like, I love painting and seeing a lot of paintings by Van Gogh. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correct. I don't want to mispronounce the name of the famous artist, very renowned artist. So yeah, it was amazing. It was surreal. Now I'm literally starving. I'm gonna find myself a yummy, nice cafe and we'll just have some good food and head home. And got a snack for myself because apartment में से मिलता है तो मैं ले लेती हूँ. I am finally home and the battery is at 2%, so I'm gonna take the charger out. I love this bag so much. I mean, this bag has my heart. I love it. How beautiful, like pastel and like classy it is. Where is my charger? मैं charger लेके थी पर मैं universal adapter नहीं लेके गई थी तो मतलब दिमाग का मुझ में भी नहीं है. I need to find the charger. किधर रखा है मैंने? there we go. Oh, charger खाने की थी. Yeah, all good. Now I am planning to cook ramen for myself क्योंकि बहुत भूख लग रही है और बहुत ठंड हो रही थी. पता है इतना like buses got like delayed because there like a lot of construction happening. इनकी रोड ठीक है पर मैं जानना चाहती हूँ फिर किस चीज़ की कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हैं, समझ नहीं आता मुझे. और मेरे बाल कितने सही लग रहे हैं यार, एकदम हीरोइन लग रही हूँ मैं. खुद ही तारीफ करके खुश हो जाती हूँ. Anyways, I love these glasses as well. Got this from H&M a while ago and ये इतने cool लगते हैं. ऐसे ऐसे पहन के घूम रही थी, ऐसे स्टाइल में एकदम. चलो ना, I'm gonna cook फटाफट से. By the way, I am so excited. मेरा सारा इंडियन वाला सारा सामान आ गया एंड बाहर बहुत ठंडी थी यार. सारा मेरा इंडिया वाला सामान आ गया गाइस. I am I am on cloud 9 right now. Firstly, I needed a belt. मेरी सारी jeans मेरी waist से मुझे लूज है. Though I feel soon they will be super tight. और ऐसा soon आने से पहले मैं वर्कआउट करना चालू कर दूँगी बिकॉज जिस हिसाब से मैं मीठा खा रही हूँ यहाँ पे it's not good. So I have my belt. मैं इसको भी धीरे धीरे करके अनबॉक्स करूँगी, समझ में आएगा कि क्या क्या है. एंड ऑल्सो लुक एट दिस टोट बैग. ये भी मुझे कहीं किसी तो इवेंट या कोई तो कोलैबोरेशन में मिला था, मुझे किसी ब्रांड की कोलैबोरेशन, हाँ बायोडर्मा की कोलैबोरेशन में मुझे मिला था. यस, सो आई गॉट लाइक 3 थिंग्स फ्रॉम बायोडर्मा और उसमें मुझे ये टोट बैग मिला था. इतना क्यूट टोट बैग है ये बाय द वे. एंड हा मसाले, और मैंने बॉर्नविटा भी मंगवाया. आई कांट एक्सप्लेन मैं कितनी ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. और पता नहीं कितने लोगों ने मसाले मुझे भेजे हैं, क्या क्या भेजा है ये मुझे देख के पढ़ना पड़ेगा, समझना पड़ेगा. तो बहुत सारे मसाले मेरे पास में, बहुत सारे. लाइक टू माई पेरेंट्स. एक और फिर कपड़े कैसे भूल सकते हैं हम. वी हैव कपड़े. I have my dresses. I have another night suit. Like finally I have like one more night suit because मेरे पास 3 ही थे शायद. So and it's never enough. And lastly, ये क्या भेजा इन लोगों ने. हाँ ठीक है. Okay, my mother has sent me some nail pins. I was like मुझे थोड़ी नेल पेंट्स चाहिए. she sent me this. यार मुझे ना मेन है, मुझे गुआशा आया है कि नहीं आया. मुझे नहीं लगता गुआशा आया है. वो नहीं, कपड़ों के बीच में होगा. हाँ ठीक है. मेरी मम्मी ने, ओह माय गॉड, इन्होंने इतनी सारे मुझे ऑरिगेनो चिली फ्लेक्स भेजे हैं. दिस मिनी बैग इज़ फुल ऑफ दैट. एंड आई लव टमेटो सूप. लाइक मुझे ना टमाटो सूप बहुत पसंद है. वो वाला ही जिसके अंदर आप बोलते क्या है, मैं भूल गई इनको क्या बोलते हैं ये, या क्या बोलते हैं. यही है चीज़, ये जो चीज़ है ना, ये चीज़ मेरी फेवरेट है. तभी मुझे टमाटो सूप बहुत पसंद है. व्हाटएवर दैट इज़, ठीक है. तो मुझे ये पसंद है, तो इस वजह से मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे वो भी भेजा. और मैं कपड़े आराम से एक बार ऐसे खोल कर देखूँगी, इसमें गुआशा भी होगा. एंड दैट्स आई हैड सो मच फन टुडे. इतना कुछ खाया मैंने, मुझे इतना मज़ा आया. बट व्हाट आई एम रिग्रेटिंग इज़ कि मैंने जो वो खाया था ना, वो एक स्वीट बन टाइप, मुझे वो ना 2 पैक करवा के भी लाने चाहिए थे, पर मैं लेके नहीं आई. बट वो अभी है यार, वो यहीं पे रहेगा अभी 1-2 महीने. जब तक क्रिसमस नहीं आया तो हम फिर से जाएंगे, हम फिर से खाएंगे. और इस बार मैं पैक करवा के भी लेके आऊँगी. एंड विद दैट वी हैव कम टू एन एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द व्लॉग विद मी. मुझे तो बड़े मज़े आए यार ट्रैवल करके. एक तो है ना अकेले, आई फील अकेले ट्रैवल करने जाओ ना 10 चीज़ें पता चलती है. एंड यू गेट टू स्पेंड द टाइम द वे यू वांट. जस्ट फोटोज़ नहीं क्लिक हो पाती. दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग जो मुझे कंसर्न करती है. अदरवाइज आई एम वेरी हैप्पी ट्रैवलिंग अलोन. मुझे तो बहुत मज़े आते हैं. सो ऑन दैट नोट आई एम गोना एंड दिस वीडियो. मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड मेक श्योर यू आर फॉलोइंग ऑन माई Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It says Kritika_. and I post religiously on my Instagram about fashion finds, tips, tricks. It's mostly around fashion. So yeah, if you love that, you must follow me there and also subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.